Welcome to the channel. Today we bring you a special list of the 10 greatest Croatian football players of all time. We will count them down from number 10 to number 1, making it more exciting until the very end. These players have represented Croatia on the biggest stages, won legendary trophies, and created unforgettable football moments. Let's begin. Number 10, Darijo Srna. Darijo Srna was a longtime captain of the Croatian national team and a true symbol of loyalty and leadership. He spent most of his club career at Shakhtar Donetsk, where he became a club legend. Known for his stamina, precise crosses, and fighting spirit, Srna always played with heart and pride for his country. Number 9, Andrej Kramaric. Andrej Kramaric is one of the finest Croatian forwards of the modern generation. Known for his intelligent movement, precise finishing, and consistency, he has been a standout performer in the Bundesliga with Hoffenheim. In the national team, he often takes responsibility and scores important goals when Croatia needs them most. Number 8, Alen Bokšić. Alen Bokšić was one of the most complete strikers of his era. Combining power, speed, and technical quality, he was a nightmare for defenders. His greatest club success came with Lazio, where he won the Italian league title. Bokšić played a crucial role in the early years of the Croatian national team. Number 7, Mario Mandžukić. Mario Mandžukić was the definition of a warrior on the pitch. His game was built on strength, sacrifice, and relentless effort for the team. He scored decisive goals in Champions, League finals, and at the World Cup. His goal in the 2018 World Cup final remains one of the most iconic moments in Croatian football history. Number 6, Ivan Perisic. Ivan Perisic is one of the most consistent Croatian players of all time. He played at the highest level for clubs such as Borussia Dortmund, Inter Milan, and Bayern Munich, winning the Champions League with Bayern. Perisic is famous for scoring crucial goals at major international tournaments and delivering in big moments. Number 5, Ivan Rakitic. Ivan Rakitic was a key figure in both the Croatian national team and FC Barcelona. His work rate, powerful shot, and tactical intelligence made him indispensable. With Barcelona, he won the Champions League and many other trophies. Rakitic played a vital role in Croatia's historic run to the 2018 World Cup final. Number 4, Robert Prosinečki. Robert Prosinečki was a true football artist. His close ball control, creativity, and elegant style made him one of the most gifted midfielders of his generation. He played for legendary clubs such as Red Star Belgrade, Real Madrid, and Barcelona. Prosinečki made football beautiful to watch. Number 3, Zvonimir Boban. Zvonimir Boban was a true leader and a symbol of Croatian football in the 1990s. His technical ability, intelligence, and passion made him a natural captain. He enjoyed his greatest club success with AC Milan, winning multiple domestic and European trophies. Boban remains a symbol of pride and leadership in Croatian football history. Number 2, Davor Šuker. Davor Šuker is the greatest goalscorer in the history of the Croatian national team. His most iconic performance came at the 1998 World Cup, where he won the Golden Boot and led Croatia to a historic third-place finish. Šuker played for top clubs such as Real Madrid, Sevilla, and Arsenal, and was known for his deadly finishing. Number 1, Luka Modric. Luka Modric is widely regarded as the greatest Croatian footballer of all time. With his incredible vision, passing accuracy, and calmness under pressure, he has defined an era of modern football. Modric won multiple Champions League titles with Real Madrid and led Croatia to the World Cup final in 2018. That same year, he won the Ballon d'Or, cementing his place among the legends of the game. That concludes our countdown of the 10 greatest Croatian football players of all time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, follow the profile, and subscribe for more football content. Let us know in the comments who your favorite Croatian player of all time is. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.